When it comes time to adding details and finishing touches to your cards and paper crafting projects, you need the iCraft tape runners by ThermOWeb. There are various iCraft tape runners to choose from. The Memory Tape Runner XL comes with clear, double-sided adhesive measuring 5/16 of an inch by 50 feet. This smooth adhesive is photo-safe, acid-free, and provides a permanent bond. Its patented pivoting head allows you to apply adhesive in curves and lines. There's also a Memory Tape Runner XL Refillable Dispenser available for purchase. This easy-to-install, drop and refill gets your tape runner back in action in just seconds. The Memory Tape Runner XL and Refill are perfect under the new clear designer toner sheets since both are virtually invisible. When you're not using the Memory Tape Runner XL, just flip the protective cover back into place. If you're looking for a compact adhesive that you can take on the go, the Sticky Tape Mini Runner is just for you. The Sticky Tape Mini Runner comes with clear, double-sided adhesive measuring 5/16 of an inch by 25 feet. It also has a protective cover. This smooth adhesive is photo-safe, acid-free, and provides a permanent bond. The Sticky Tape Mini Runner is perfect under the new clear designer toner sheets since it's virtually invisible. Another compact iCraft tape runner is the Sticky Dot Mini Runner. This tape runner comes with clear, double-sided, smooth adhesive dots measuring 5/16 of an inch by 26 feet. The Sticky Dot Mini Runner is photo-safe, acid-free, and allows you to initially reposition your project, but will provide a permanent bond. When you're finished using the adhesive, just flip the protective cover back into place. If you need an adhesive for scrapbooking, paper crafting, card making, and one that you can take on the go, be sure to check out the various iCraft tape runners by ThermOWeb.